German hang pronated grip bar. The German hang is a deep shoulder extension stretch. It is important to slowly build up to this advanced stretch by performing progressive shoulder extension exercises, as the stress on the shoulder and elbow joint can be dangerous for beginners. In this version of the German hang, we take a strong pronated shoulder width grip on the pull-up bar. This grip will create a nice deep stretch in the chest and shoulders. At no point should you feel elbow pain while performing this exercise. If you do, stop immediately. If you have the straight arm pulling strength, you can start in a dead hang and perform a skin the cat to move into the German hang. If you don't yet have the strength, you can kick up to inverted and then lower down into the German hang position. Keep the feet together, the legs straight, and aim to open the hips by contracting the glutes. Retract the shoulders. Think about pinching the shoulder blades together behind your back and lifting the chest up to face forward. The elbows must remain locked. Hold the German hang for the specified period of time and then aim to pull back out of the German hang and lower safely to the floor. Do not drop from the bar in the German hang position. If you do not have the strength to pull out of the German hang, use a step or a box that you can safely place your feet on before letting go of the pull-up bar. Dropping from the bar in the German hang position can be dangerous.